All right, because I promised to give out a list of coins that are going to do massively well in the next bull run, I'm going to give at least 5 coins that are going to do very well. And this time around, the coins are a bit different. I'm usually very big on low cap coins, but this time around, I'm not going to be talking about the low cap coins that I always give out.
Hello, welcome to Flip Exchange Crypto Channel.
I need you to know that there is a lot of opportunity to make huge money in crypto. A lot of people don't have an idea how the crypto works, and they just make videos and create panic in in the whole ecosystem. So, but if you have followed me for quite some time now, you will notice a great deal of consistency in the videos that I make and in the kind of coins that I recommend. So, if you are not following me, please do well. We're just a little bit above, 1,000 subscribers, and we just want you to follow, and you do not want to be rich alone. Share this video on groups that you share in common. Share it on your crypto groups, on other groups, and let other people jump into this opportunity that I'm giving to you free of charge. All right, so without wasting time, I have listed some of the coins that I'm going to mention now. I've listed them in the previous videos that I made. If you scroll down, you will see a number of coins that I've given out that has done massively well. Some of the coins I've given out have done 20, 30x, 50, as much as 50x, and it's not something that you cannot verify if you go through my channel. All right. So the number one on the list of the large cap coins. Of course, everyone knows Bitcoin, everyone knows Ethereum, XRP, and the rest of them. So, but before I talk about these other coins that I'm going to mention, it is important that we understand what drives the market today. What drives the market today? So, unlike in the last bull market season, in the last crypto bull market season that we had, it was different things that was driving the market. Today, a different thing is driving the market. There were times when a lot of technicals and then the kind of fundamentals that was driving the market, we are different from the kind of fundamentals that are driving today's market. So today's market is being driven hugely by fundamentals, and the kind of fundamentals is institution based. Is institution based. So the Wall Street and other institutions in America play a major role in the crypto space today and in what happens in the crypto space today. You cannot be a crypto trader, a profitable crypto trader, and you don't pay attention to what the institutions are buying. What are the institutions buying? What are they investing in? What are they talking about? And that should also, inform your trade decisions.
Crypto may finally be going mainstream, spurred in part by the billion-dollar public debut of Circle, the issuer of stablecoin USDC, and the passage of the stablecoin legislation drafted by the Senate, dubbed the Genius Act.
The yeas are 68, the nays are 30. The bill as amended is passed.
Big finance players are getting in on the action. Coinbase, which earns half of the revenue generated by USDC, launched a new partnership with payment platform Stripe and e-commerce giant Shopify to bring USDC payments to merchants around the world.
All right, so you see, it's obvious that a lot of institutions are talking about crypto, right? Recently, Bloomberg, was said to have listed this, three spot coins, and then they're saying that there is 95% chance that these coins are going to be approved as spot ETFs. So if they get approval, these coins is going to massively impact the crypto space. It's going to massively impact the crypto space. If you look at what is currently going on in the market, you will see that institutions are playing a very big role. And because the money currently that is in crypto is locked up in its coin. So that is why you need to pay attention to large cap coins, because until the money in Bitcoin rotates to other coins, right, we are going to, keep going where we are, right? We'll just keep, moving around. So the first coin that I'm going to show you is Cardano. So Cardano currently is trading at um 0.58, right? And if we look at the 1 month pattern and look at the 1 year candlestick pattern, so we'll see that the all-time high, not really all-time high, one year, if we're using the 1 year, okay, sorry. So if we look at the all-time high, we'll see that it's done a little above $3, right? And that means a lot for the market. Today is currently trading slightly above 50 cents. The next one I'm going to talk about is the AVAX or the Avalanche. These are some of the coins that you should pay attention to. Avalanche is trading, it's quite a large cap. So I'm going to go to the all-time high. Avalanche is trading currently at $18, right? Avalanche had done an all-time high of $140. 140, around 142, 143, dollars all-time high. So if anything happens and Avalanche goes back to its all-time high, it's going to mean that you will have made more than times 5 of your capital or whatsoever you invest in it. The next one I'm going to show you is the Polkadot. Polkadot is also a very good project that most communities, most institutions are talking about at the moment, right? So we're going to look at its all-time high also. So currently it's trading at $3.3 and having an all-time high of $55. And then the last one that I'm going to show you, right, in this particular video, I'll do more videos to show you what to buy and what to get involved in, right? The last one is going to be HBAR, right? Let's look out for HBAR. So HBAR currently is trading around 0.16 thereabouts. We're going to see that, and then we'll take a look. Okay, 1.5 now. We'll take a look at the all-time high also. So I've done quite deep analysis on these coins. So what I'm just doing is giving you the coins that. So its all-time high is at 50.57, and now it's at 0.15. So there are lots of potential in some of these coins that I'm giving out to you. What you could do for yourself is do a little bit more research, do a little bit more research, see what the institutions are talking about, and then make trade decision based on what these institutions are saying at the moment. If there are other coins that you think are going to do well in the coming bull season, I want you to write them down in the comment section and then tag people, tag your friends also to come around and see what you are buying and buy with you. If we all get rich together, it becomes better. All right. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm going to be dropping 3 more coins in the next video, but I'm going to be explaining again how to trade profitably in this current bear season, right? So we can look at this HBAR. You see that the community is 88% bullish on this project. All right. So community sentiment is, so we just believing that it's going to do much more better in the coming bull season. All right. I'll see you guys in my next video.